What's up, everyone? It's Dee here back with another video. So, I got into a trade just now. I would say about 7:05. I got into a trade. So initially, if y'all remember, last week Friday, I took this buy. It was like around here. I took it from here to here, and as you can see, it wicked and it started to sell. That's why I say it's so important to know where you are taking trades. If not, then you're going to lose a lot. Okay, so but let me just explain this. So like I said previous with the structure, it was so we had initially, this is a 1 hour, so initially we had a downtrend. So we had that correction, and it continued down. Then price rallied back up. Back to this resistance level. Respected it, but then price refused to go lower. So after this, after it went back to this resistance, price should have rallied down. I explained this last week, but instead it stopped to support, then buyed up. It broke this high. So now we are in a uptrend because it has broken this previous high. So we got a broke. Price came back to support, and I am initially wanting price to respect this support and to buy. So I was first, because price could have gone either way. Price could actually could have sell as well, but it's just because it did this bullish candle. I really honestly I would have gotten in. I did saw this, and I could have gotten in here, but as you know, I don't trade. Like, that was the end of New York. It's a Friday. I'm not going in a trade. So what price did was Tokyo continued to buy, and London started to sell. Now when Tokyo came here and London had like this, because initially I was like I could get it for like a short sell, but London came with this like huge red candle, and I would have only took it from here, and that would have made no sense to me. So when I saw that, I was still looking for buys, obviously, because like I said, we broke previous high, so we're still in the uptrend. We're not in a sell, honestly, until, let me show y'all. Right, so we have this impulse, correction, continuation. This is still, let me fix it, so let me put it like right at the tip, right? This has still broken this, right? So this is still impulse correction, continuation. So then at this low is higher than this. So why am I looking for sales? I'm not looking for sales. I am continuously looking for buy. And then two, I always say like for this, price width. So I'm still looking for price to really truly like rally up to this area and not like give me a wick. So I'm looking for New York to like really push price back to this resistance. Now if not, then it is what it is. At the end of the day, I always say trading is a risk, and it can go either way. We don't predict the market, we just react to the market at the end of the day. Now I do have my TP too high. I would probably like put it about around here. I'm just gonna see how price goes. And yeah, so that's it. That's what I have so far. And let's see if it if it works out. So I'm initially going in for a buy, yeah. And so far we're up on profit. So far I'm up. Not no big money, that's for sure. So I'm up $20 so far. So let's just see how it goes when New York session starts. Then that's how you gotta really know. Depending on how it goes, honestly, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Like if I see New York comes like to this zone, and then it starts to like give me bearish candles, then I'm just gonna use my discretion and see what it's worth, because it could potentially come back to this resistance, and then it can be a sell. It can be this. It can do so. It can do this like that. Impulse. Alright, let's say it does a correction, and then boom. That's what New York can do. That's the next option, or what what New York can do. So I would be very mindful of this zone right here to see if we like really in the clear, So it just depends, and yeah. So I'll see y'all guys later, whether or not the trade won or lost. What's up, everyone? So I'm back. So I lost the trade. I got stopped out. I actually did adjust my stop loss tighter, because I say once price break this, honestly, it's a sell. Like once the low is broken, it's a sell. It still can buy, but we don't wanna like over risk anything, you know what I mean? So I lost this one. I did say that price could have potentially come back to this resistance and buy. It didn't reach. New York didn't reach here for me to take profit. So I ended up just staying inside of it. And the minute New York came out, it started to like this little consolidation, and then it just sold. So it is what it is. That's a part of the market. But still, for the challenge, we're still up like $77, so that's still okay. I'm gonna be pissed if price wicks and then buy, but that's just all a part of the game, you know what I'm saying? So today, Monday, and it's a loss. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye. What's up, everyone? I'm just gonna combine the two videos because I forgot to post it yesterday. So we took a win today. So basically we lost this trade. So as you can see, the minute it's not the minute, because I think my TP was actually like, my stop loss was like around this area. It reversed and then it started to buy, but at the end of the day, like, it is what it is. A loss is a loss. So I took this trade. So this was a New York trade. I took this because, remember, I had price coming to this zone, and I had it to come around this zone around these areas. That's why I ended up losing this trade. But however, price went lower than expected. It broke these both resistance, made a retest around these support areas and it shot up. I'm telling you, like because I saw this, y'all, I truly did. I saw this yesterday and I was like, you know what, like this is not my session, so I'm not gonna take it. I wish I did, like honestly, I wish I did because this would have been like, whoo, oh man, like this would have won the whole challenge to be honest. But anyway, so I was at work and I'm not supposed to trade at work really. But I was at work and I saw this retest. Obviously, we had a broke of we had a broke of this zone at this resistance here. Had a broke, came with this beautiful retest candle, and I just ended up like just coming on TradingView and seeing this, and I was like, I'm gonna take it. So yeah, that was so we're up on the challenge so far. The only thing is that I lowered my lot size for this trade. Like I said before, I do go through psychology or whatever, but the reason why I lowered my lot size because of the risk. I'm like price could, like I don't know, price might could come all the way back down here and then buying, so I wasn't really interested in losing too much. So yeah, it was a quick little in and out. I'm gonna post it somewhere and put maybe the profits or whatever what we have so far. I just, like I said, I'm not really, I was supposed to win more from the trade, but again I lowered my lot size. So I always tell people, like when it comes to trading, your losses should always be less than your wins. But with this win, it was not as, I didn't profit as much as expected because I took a loss on the days I took a loss on Monday, and honestly that loss, it was more than expected. Like I went really big on that trade and I lost like $190. So yeah, and I only won 140 on this, like about 140 on this trade. So that is really a no-go. But overall, we're still up on the challenge, so that's a good thing. I'm just gonna try my best to just don't do that like at all. Do not change lot sizes. Or if I do, it's just based on how much I'm willing to win versus how much I'm willing to make. So I definitely gotta do better with that. If not, it's going to it's gonna show. So yeah, we're up, and that's all I have for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.